This is the Benfei 4-in-1 hub with the USB main C port here. I am a teacher and I go around to classrooms and always give presentations, so I need this one to hook into my little tiny MacBook Air, and then this one can hook into a whole bunch of things. Mainly I use it for the HDMI cable here, the insert, and also the old school one here. And finally we have another, if I want to hook up my iPhone or something, it's got another port for the USB-C and then the traditional USB. So this is a great little one. It's all scratched up here with cellophane because I had some private information I couldn't really show on screen. This is a nice color too, and I like the cord length on this as well. So if I'm on a sort of podium situation, I find that this doesn't pull. It's the right amount of length, but it's still pretty compact and I can fit it in my basket or whatever, however I'm carrying it. So this has been a good purchase. I've had it for quite a while, over a year. Recommend.